Hello, guys. Good evening. Uh, Mohit here. There were questions regarding what Rubaru is. So, very beginning, let me tell you very literally. Rubaru means introspection. Rubaru is a meeting which quite literally translates to face to face. So it's a collective introspection where we are a group of people sitting and helping each other introspect. So it kinds of brings an interpersonal as well as intrapersonal trust, confidence, and introspection to all the participants. The intent of this workshop uh, is basically reflection, going back to certain things, just diving deep into it, experiencing what we have earlier left, and uh, getting to the core of it. Now, the very purpose of it is helping us understand where we are stuck. There are certain points, certain phases of life where we move on quite physically, but somewhere deep down our conscience, it is still, a big, uh, I would say, knot. So, Rubaru helps untie the knot, which, was created by the situation, and it gives you an opportunity to revisit something collectively and also understand others' perspective on the problem. Because one major thing that happens when we are in a problem is we isolate ourselves. We think that we are only one who is experiencing the problem. We never look around and see whether other peoples are in the same problem or not. So this will also be an opportunity to look at our own problems from different views, from different angles, from different perspectives, and find solutions to it. Now, the aim is not to find solutions, but to understand. But it's a process, and we never know if we find an answer. And also, this will give you a very different understanding, not just in your problems but as well as others situations as well, because when in a group we sit and just talk about things, we get like 10 other perspectives which are new to us. Quite literally, they are very new to us, because when I sit and talk to 10 different people, it is 10 different story every time. So this is actually more of opening yourself, revisiting what we have already experienced, and untying the knot. So, quite literally, this is not going to be anybody else's story. So, nobody is going to tell you that this had happened and I had done this and you should do this. So, we can quite assure you that there will be no shoulds and should nots. And a very peculiar thing about how we are going to do it at Join the Dots is that there is no one answer, there is no one certain fixed path. So we'll look at every situation differently with your way. So that is one. And next point that I would like to make here is, since it is monsoon, and the place we have chosen is a mixture of indoor and outdoor. So this place quite by itself offers you a different kind of serenity and peace. So, and I would make it a point here that it facilitates this looking within. So people who are not able to join us on the 20th evening, we are doing the same workshop at the same place on the 5th of August, which is a Saturday, a weekend. So you could come that day as well. And Is there any questions that we are having? No, not yet. So, I would like to talk about my experiences of introspection. I was reading this book by Osho. I'm sure you would have heard of him. So there he says that the moment you idealize somebody, you lose yourself. And the moment you look down at somebody, you lose yourself. Because there is, at the higher point, when you look upon somebody, you want to be that person. You want to imbibe the qualities, and in that chase, you leave yourself behind. The person you are is left behind. And when you look down upon somebody, and you do not want to be that person, and you do not want to imbibe those qualities, that way is also you run away from what you are. So, for me, introspection has been a very elevating and relieving experience, because it always helps me out of any dilemma, any problem, any question that I have. So I'm sure it will be the same for you, and we'll try to facilitate it in the best possible way we can. And for your information, we do not have somebody coming over and guiding you and talking and lecturing you. So it is a very collaborative experiment that we are all into, and without any sense of judgment, and without any sense of knowledge. It is just an experiment for all of us, for whoever comes, for the facilitator as well as the participants. So I'm sure it is going to be worth it. And you can also recommend this to your friends who are in Pune. And very soon we will be starting the workshops in Delhi as well. Most probably by the end of the month or something. And we are trying to reach out to other cities as well, so that we can meet as many people as we can, and spread this joy and awareness everywhere. So one hesitation that one always has in a occasion like this, that there are 10 different people, there will be new people, and so you can be assured that we'll create an environment which is non-judgmental, that nobody is going to judge you. And very often we restrict ourselves. We restrict ourselves from talking to people, because we are in a constant fear that people are going to judge us, people are going to think something. So let's just keep everything aside and come and open our hearts up. And it is an experiment, so take it in that spirit and participate. And we are trying to keep the group number as small as we can, so that the effectiveness of conversations that we have is really good and also fruitful. So I think I made my point clear. And if there is anything, please do write to us either on email or Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever suits you. We are all available like 24/7 for anything you want to talk about, for anybody, anywhere. We are there. So cheers. See you at Wari on 20th or 5th of August. See you. Bye till then. Take care.